Oh, we gotta get rid of this. Okay. We should be good now. Alright, this should be the last stream. I thought yesterday was gonna be the last stream, before we release this demo, but there are a few more like minor bugs I need to fix. Specifically, some of our particles. I mean, for the most part, I think they look decent. I do need to fix the foot particles. I'm gonna see what we can do there. The dash particles need a little bit of some updating, and not 12 hours. No, there's no way I can do, unless it's a game jam. I don't think I could do another back-to-back 12-hour stream. Also, I don't think we need 12 hours to finish everything that we want to finish today. I am still going to be doing some game dev, like off stream. Well, it's not really game dev. I need to work on the NPC dialogue, but I feel like I don't really need to share that on stream. Like the ghosts? Oh yeah, we added that a while ago. It's just I never added it to the parallax. So it was only in the beginning of the game. But yeah, we've got ghosts now. Did I get rid of the lights and bloom? Those lights right here. There's no bloom in the game though. I tried using bloom in the game and it just looked like crap. At least from how I've been implementing it, it looked like crap. All right. Okay, so there's here. Let me just open up our list here. 2223. I have a bug in my game that I don't even want to fix. I feel that. So I'm playing another 5 hours of Calamity. Nice. Particles. Okay. So we need. We have our bounce particles. We have our dash. We need to fix. Fix landing particles. Maybe walking particles. What else? Say off stream. NPC dialogue. Why don't I use Trello? I love Notepad. It's just so easy to use. I don't know, like Trello. Trello I think is good with when you're working with teams, but I feel like just writing everything down here is nice. Like there's no, I don't think it's easier. I think it's more organized, but it's not easier. Okay. Also, I like the idea of like, you know, to be organized, you don't need you know, software. You can just write things down. I like to, like, with this I can always, like, it doesn't matter what I use. I can write this down, or I could write it in a notepad or something like that. I don't want to be dependent on some software, you know what I mean? So that's why I like this sticky notes. And it's also just to-do lists. Like, you know, I just cross things out while I'm streaming. Fixed landing particles. Maybe walking particles. Well, what else do we have to do? Let's see. I know we have to fix our dash a little bit. Okay. Dash dust. Particles. Dash. Frame. Sprite. Dash frame sprite. What else? Oh, we need to add our hidden room, secret room. Here, let's write that down real quick. Add hidden room. Have I managed to start my Kickstarter? No, not yet. We're doing it after I finish this this game, or finish this this demo, which should be done by the end of this stream, hopefully. Or actually, it won't be done at the end of the stream, but hopefully it's done by the end of today. Ideally. I'm just trying to see what else we need. Maybe a little explosion on that particle would be pretty cool. Oh, yeah. Okay, I remember now. There is a bug with our portal. Well, it's not really a bug, but portals make particles disappear. That's because it's a child of the particles. These particles in particular are a child of the player, so when we set the player to invisible, it makes these particles invisible. So we just need to make sure that instead of setting our player to invisible, we want to set our sprite to invisible. Our player sprite. So we'll do that. Same thing might happen with the zip lines, actually. So let's see. Oh, no, it's fine. I believe it's fine, yeah. Oh, we should add a light node right here so that they know that this is safe. Um, I will do for sure. Still, yeah. Well, I'm gonna try to get it released today. We'll see. The NPCs, I'm usually not much of a dialogue writer, so I'm sure I'm gonna struggle with it. But it shouldn't be too difficult. Hey, how's it going, Cloby? Any specific goals today? Yeah. So, I mean, it's the same goal as yesterday, which was to just finish polishing everything. I was hoping to finish it yesterday, but we ran out of time. But it should be good today. We'll see. I wonder, is this good enough? Let's try that. Could also expand this a bit. Let's just throw a player there. Six 0 24 and -3 1 44. -3 1 44. So the actual goals today, so far what we have written down is this right here. Landing particles, it's mostly just particles. We have to fix the NPC dialogue, but I'm going to do that off stream. We need to add the hidden room mechanic and like just some dialogue with that. And there's a small bug with the portals. And that'll be it. How much money would you need for the game? So there's no specific amount of, like, I'm aiming for 10K. And with that, I think I would be able to release like a fully fledged game, like something that I think would be comparable to Celeste. But honestly, something smaller than that would be fine. Really, the budget would help determine like how well the game, or like how in depth we're going to make the game. It's like I can manage with 5,000 too, or even, I mean, like even 2,000 or something like that. It's just that, you know, obviously the game would be much smaller. I want to make it a 10-hour game, like 10 hours worth of gameplay. Here, let's see. Yeah, ideally 10 hours, but anything smaller than that would also be fine. Oh wait, are we gonna? Yep. Let me crash. Honestly, we should throw our player a little closer. Or not our player, our checkpoint here. Okay. Cool. let's fix the portal bug real quick. So all that is when we enter the teleport state, I don't remember if we do this with the teleporter or with the player state. Let's see, portal 2, visible. Player node.visible is equal to true. On teleport, delay timeout. Let me just comment this out, see what happens. I assume it's done with our player. I don't know why that timer is there. Whoops. That's a lot. My budget would be something like around 100 and 300 bucks. Yeah, I mean, I guess it depends on like your scope, right? Like, I really want this to be a big game. Not a big, like, not in terms of like, you know, success or something, but like, you know, I just want this to be a fully in-depth game. And I've already been working on it for, you know, over 2 years, so it's like, I need to know I can keep working on it, you know? Like, if the Kickstarter doesn't do so well, then it must mean that maybe the game's not good enough, or I need to work on something else. So yeah. Alright. Oh, we are trying our best to make it, you know, as good as possible right here. Like, you know, first impressions are very important. You don't have any things for sprites, so just put one right here. No, we should call this sprite node. I see. Yeah, yeah. I mean, for my game, oops. The only thing that I, like, you know, like, ideally, all I want to work on is the programming and level design of the game. Everything else, I hope I could find someone who's better at doing those things, so I don't have to worry about them. You know, someone who's really good at art should be working on the art. Someone who's really good at music should be working on the music. There we go. So we dash out and we dash in, you can still see the particles moving around. If we bounce out, you can see those particles. I'm trying to see, is there anything else wrong with it? Anyway, so we do see the light, but I think that's... it does look kind of cheap. Maybe we should set the light to disappear as well. It's barely noticeable, but it is kind of bugging me. Or maybe it's just another indicator. It might be fine. You said music, sound effects, and particles. I would say music is actually... music and sound is probably one of the more expensive assets. And if you want high quality stuff, you're gonna have to put more money into it, unfortunately. I mean, you can manage, right? But price, price does equate to quality. I'm trying to see, do we, if I dash, okay, yeah, works, it works. So this is that, hidden room, dash frame sprite, dash dust particles, fixed landing particles. Maybe walking. Alright, we'll work on the hidden room real quick. And we'll finish up the particles. We also have this dude right here. I wonder... another thing we could do, can make this look a lot cooler. Let's see. I'm gonna try it out. What platforms? Yeah, Steam and itch. I might release it to like what's it, like the Microsoft Store and stuff like that. I heard Epic Games is actually pretty good. We might consider it. Can I mess with the scale here? Whoa, what is going on? Wait, what? That's weird. Wait. What the hell is going on? Let's just grab this. You know, we could even put this maybe in the background, like behind our parallax. Wow, I want to see what it would look like if we just left it like that. Yeah, that's true. It could work out with mobile. This is a bit trippy. Here, let's see. Maybe we should reduce the color a bit. Wonder if visibility will help with that. Okay. Actually, maybe we'll leave it the same, but just more transparent. Give it a slight distortion and you throw. Hey, wait, what? Why is it not working though? We save it. Oh, right. We let's edit that here. Yeah, it does get pretty dizzy. Let me see if I can like make it just super faint so it's barely noticeable. Let's try that. 6. Ideally, we should put it on the surface of our. Let's see this. Put it on 10. I do need to stretch it out a bit. Still looks super trippy. Let me see if we can maybe just like 0.1 or not 0.11. Oh, it's not even noticeable at 1 though. All right, so we have 5 orbs. I'm thinking maybe we'll add like some fourth wall elements to the game, or like right now at least, where it's like, oh, you found all 4 monuments. Unfortunately, the programmer, or, like the creator of this realm hasn't, worked that much, or is lazy, something like that. I'll work on the dialogue off stream, but let's just make sure we have dialogue to add. So I'll add a quick decoration light. Okay, just add a quick script here, and an area 2D. Is this statue going to tell us parts of the story? Yeah, I mean, like every NPC in the game is going to give you a little bit about the lore. I'm not sure how much I want to reveal. Like, it might be that everything is very subtle. So like, you kind of just get, like, it's not going to explain it. It's more so just going to reveal things that are in the lore, but not like from start to finish. Kind of like, this world already exists, so it might be, I would say it might be confusing for the player on their first run unless they know like the the full picture. At least that's where I kind of want to take it. Like, who is this statue, dude? Although we might change him to something else, we'll see. But yeah, let's just do const. Const type equals interactable. But specifically, that statue is it's technically like a secret, so it's more so it's going to introduce you to like a hidden mechanic in the game. We'll just leave it like this, and I'll set the story up later, or the dialogue up later. Will I hire somebody? Ideally, if I can hire somebody, I will. Like, I have the idea of the game, or like the idea of the story, but like, yeah, in terms of like writing the entire dialogue and all that kind of stuff, yeah, it'd be nice if someone else can write that. Oh, professional. Oh, let's update this real quick. The big obelisk thing here. Hey, how's it going, Adam? Welcome, welcome. Hey, what the hell? It's white here. Oh, there we go. Okay, I think we also need to update. Oh, I think we did. So, whatever this texture is, let's save it. Got the Stark one. Let's also grab whatever this. We'll just make that gray, actually. Oh, I also hope this is the right one. It might be Big Pillar that's the image. Let me see. Big Pillar. Nope, okay. Okay, yeah. I did update correctly. My code is so bad, Unity is refusing to understand it. I don't know. Fix your code. Everyone's code should work, right? Every time I run something, I always say, "Hey, this should work. This should work," but it never does. All right. That looks decent. I wonder if we should make it so that it's unshaded. Let's see. Hey, how's it going, Boito? Yeah, we could leave it like this. It's not terrible. Also, the bricks, the pillars, I think we could do without them. Ah, dude, I'm still so sore from the gym. We could add maybe some furniture around here. Furniture boxes, furniture tile map, just some random stuff. Might as well, right? Although I'm not sure if this would match the area. Let's see. Put some boxes. Let's grab a light tile map too. Oh, maybe we should just leave it like that. Wouldn't be too bad. Maybe some boxes in between. What's my PR, my personal record for lifting? Let me see. I don't remember. Well, like, I think the thing that I take the most pride in is deadlifts. Plus, I think I did plus. I want to say plus. I feel like this might be wrong though. Here, wait. Actually, I remember posting it on Discord. Let me see if I can find it. — 335. No. Pounds. What the hell? 335 pounds. 2 kilograms. 152 kilograms. Honestly, I think it's higher. But yeah, I haven't had the chance to. Hey, how's it going, Half Moon? I wonder if it's hard to see this. They may not know that they have to jump up. Let's see. Maybe we can lower it a bit. Maybe add. So I think auto tile here might look better, or maybe like we'll add cracks in the walls. Be cool if we could type something in here, or like write something, like some symbol, but for now. Just leave it like that. Currently working on fan art with the original name Jackon's Afterlife. So, nice. Jackon. Our favorite protagonist, Jackon. Also wanted to check, is it spelt Jacob? So I mean, yeah, but I'm not, his name is not Jacob anymore. Or I mean, maybe to the OGs, people who know this game, his name is Jacob. But for everyone else, he's the one with no name. I think that looks better. Like, it's not super distracting with the background and stuff. Okay. And I think one more thing I'll do is just drop this down by like, oh my, oh, can we? Yeah, there we go. Slightly lower. Perfect. Demo beat in 22 seconds. New world record. Why is my Christmas banner still the Christmas? Cause, I mean, why is my Discord? Did I say? I don't know what I said. Discord banner is still a Christmas hat version. Cause I'm lazy. I don't know. Oh, do we still have this bug? I remember there was a slight bug with this, but I don't think it still happens. I guess not. You know, what's crazy is it hasn't even snowed where I live yet. Like, damn, climate change is real, guys. Let's see. Okay, we got this. This room is kind of whack, but I don't care anymore. Alright. So we fixed the hidden room. Hidden room is done. Dash frame. Let's work on the dash frame real quick. I assume it's here, but manage trail. Trail.instance. Manage. Manage trail of trail. Oops. Var trail. Trail.scene. Okay. So the only issue with this at the moment is that the frame is very low. Dude, this was like one of the first scripts I ever wrote. This game. Let me see. Player dash PNG. So we're loading up a PNG trail particle and player crouch trail particle on see modulate. Where do we set? What the hell? See manage trail maybe. What's going on here? Are we setting our own modulate? Is that why? Is that why it's like trail sprite is equal to dash texture in process. Set texture, add to group, set position, add child. We only mess with modulates here. Find files. It doesn't seem like we have anything messing with the modulates here. Let's see, 0.05, let's try 0.01. Okay, so yeah, it is that 0.05. I wonder why. Oh, you know what? It might be because it's it doesn't have a canvas modulate on it. Unshaded. I mean, it's not unshaded. So we could add it. I wonder if there's a better approach for this, though. Here, just to double check. Let's just do. Okay, yeah, it's just that it's unshaded. I mean, that it's not unshaded. How should we do this? Material, we need to set the material to use parent, so dot. Oh wait, no, we have to make sure that it's using the main node. What's main node? Get parent, get parent, which is assuming the world. We'll just say dot material. I'm sure we've done it in one of our scripts here. Switch material. Dot material is equal to material path. So material path. Material path is equal to unshaded. Okay, so let's just grab this unshaded. We'll just say unshaded material path. Dot material is equal to this. Do we have to set it as an instance? Switch material. No. So it should just work like this. There we go. Very simple fix. Another thing we could technically do, I believe this is how I set it up, or if I just added like, let's say 2 to this max trail, we should get like a bunch. Or we should get 2. But obviously we need to fix our timers. Also, it doesn't update correctly. It used to be that we would set the sprite to whatever the player's current sprite is. So I'm actually wondering why. I guess we just grab its last direction. Sent you a few images that look like a much better matching start button. Use them if you'd like. No credit needed. Let's see. If I like it, I will credit you. Where's Discord? Oh, I just saw your other message too. I'll answer that, I guess, off stream. So it looks pretty good. I'm not sure if I want to use pixel art though, for like UI specifically. I'd be really tempted to parry the ghosts in the background. Maybe I should make them a little more transparent so that the player knows. I thought they weren't too noticeable. Alright, I'll see you. Peace, peace. Okay. Yeah. I actually have something I could potentially use. Like, I have this whole alphabet that I barely used for my game. Like all of this stuff. Could technically use this. Just waiting for this caffeine to kick in. Also, we're on a VPN right now. Stream might be laggy from time to time. Alright. Let's stop getting distracted. Let's see what else we need to do. Dash frame sprite. We fixed this. Wait, actually, let's put it back on 1. Actually, I want to see what it looks like with 10. Looks whack. Whack. Okay. Another thing we need to do with the particles here on the dash particle is I think I want to make it so that over time it's going to get more and more transparent and just disappear. Something like that, maybe. Yeah, I think that looks better. They just disappear over time. Okay, this is going to be the hardest part. The landing particles and the walking particles. Either we create like variation in our images. Let me see if we can find... Wait, I know we looked this up yesterday and I couldn't find anything, but maybe we'll have a better time today. Dust. Alright, I'll see you, Skull. Peace out, man. Thanks for stopping by. Nothing for explosions. I don't think we'll find it on itch. Pixel art particles. Maybe we could find a good reference. Could also just try to draw our own. Hopefully it's not too difficult. Splatter. So there's one other thing. Get assets. Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna mess with our own, try to make our own. There's one other, there's the FX pack here. I don't think any of these will work for me, honestly, but maybe it'll give us some ideas. And let me see my other asset packs. Maybe there's something here. You know, actually, I know with this one, there are some asset packs, or not asset, there are some effects, orbs. Let's see what this is. Elk. Okay. Orbs, and then, like, yeah, they have this, like, death animation. Just gonna work out. Okay, let's do this. We're going to open up our white explosion. I'm gonna try making this into like one texture. Maybe we'll want to have like some variations with it. So this is by 32. So I think these can fit what, into 16s. We'll leave it in 32. $256. Let's try Well, we do want to make some like variations with them. We'll see. So for all of these, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, oops, add a grid here. Set it to 16 by 16. Wondering if we need to center it, or if we need to put it on the bottom left. But yeah, something like that. I think that's. Oh, this is one animation. We'll basically want a bunch of these. Let's just try this out. If it works out, we'll do the rest. Particle manager. Feet foot particle path is the fart particle. Let's grab that fart particle. Let's just make a duplicate of it. Fart particle 2. Fart. And where's our texture? Explosion sprite. Alright, so I think what we need to do on top of this is also make sure that we don't rotate it at all. Let's see. Yeah. We don't rotate it, and we need to make sure that we're randomizing like the actual sprite sheet. But I do want to see how this looks on like a regular platform, like right here. So yeah, we're still falling through, or I mean, the animation is still playing through this, but back to fart particle. Let's see how this looks. Wait, what the hell? Looks like it's this. Oh, it's not the same. Let's go make this unique. Scale amount is fine. The angle here, we're going to. I want to see if we make no angle whatsoever. So that's. Yeah, this is sort of what I was talking about. Now I'm just wondering if it's possible to randomize which animation we're playing. Like, what we could do is for fart particle, add a script here and like give it a bunch of different paths, and then like on the ready function, like just pick one of those textures. That could work. but is it worth it? Another thing I think we need to make sure of is, wait, let's go back here. The emission shape. Currently is a sphere. We're going to set it to a rectangle. The y-axis should be 0. And the x-axis we could put at like 2 or maybe even 3. There we go. How do we... Let's see. Animation. Speed curve. Offset curve. And they're drawing. Lifetime. Might not work out. I can't think of like a good way to make this work. Particles and loop. Next pass. Wait, what's next pass? So on this object and using a different material. Alright, what's another solution? I wonder if we were to set the V-frames to 2, or let's try this. Try one more thing. Let's go back to, let's get rid of this. Whatever, I don't care about it anymore. Fart particle. Angle. I know there's something that we could do maybe to cut it, but the rotation might be weird after that, or we'll find out pretty soon. If we go into our material and we say V particles is 2. No. Dude, I know there's some variable we could change here that would let us do it. We also might be able to do it with shaders. Don't know how to use it though. Hue variation, color, scale. Yeah, let me look it up. Yeah, I mean, maybe it was the particle animation V-frame. It's just, it looks weird here because we're rotating it. I'm trying to think if we should stick to this type of animation, or maybe we should do something more like a dust, like just pixel animations and animate it that way. We might just do that to save ourselves some time, instead of struggling to figure out how to make the explosion work. So yeah, the main issue is with the bottom here. Also, are we not randomizing the... It looks like it is random, but it looks so clean now. We must be randomizing it. Let me see. Or we never updated. We're still using for particle 2. I think that's what's happening, yeah. Honestly, maybe it wouldn't be too bad to set up the texture like that, where we don't randomize it, or yeah, we don't randomize the rotation, and we just put in our own textures. Let's just do this. Angle. This is how it typically looks, and it looks so good. Oh my god. Except for the bottom right there. Let's try making a new one. Particles. Can't undo this. Where is it? Initial velocity 20 on -1, 0.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits. You can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong, and I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Okay. We've got some pixels going up. Let's increase maybe this to 20, and the emission shape to 3. Set this to 0. Alright, let's see how good that looks. Let's call this regular particles. What's new particles? Okay. Regular foot One shot, not a bidding. There we go. Wait. 240. Like that. We do need to make sure that we have a timer on it so that it deletes. Oh, and we need to make sure that it's unshaded. So it's a lot more. It's a lot simpler, but it's more consistent, which I like, of course. I think we also need to make it slightly faster. And maybe more explosive. The initial velocity, let's make 30. And I'm gonna reduce this to 20. Okay. Some of it is, there's like pros and cons to everything here. At the moment it looks kind of whack to me. The doesn't look as natural as the other one. Let's try making it less explosive. Let's change this to 25. Explosiveness, let's do 25. See if that helps. Oh yeah, it kind of does actually. I think we're getting there. And I think we need to randomize it a bit. Give me 1 second. Okay. Honestly, I might even just leave it like that. It doesn't look terrible. Oh. Corners are a little weird. Ideally, what we should have, what should happen is when placing these particles, we should grab the point of collision and place it there. At the moment, I'm placing it in the middle of the player, or like the player's, you know, the center of the player as they hit the ground. Same with this. Same with the wall particles. It's when it's on the foot of the player, the bottom right, and on the left side, it's the bottom left. Which, I mean, it looks fine here, but we might want to make it more dynamic later on. I feel like there's like more that we could do here, though. Maybe it's the scaling here; it's too low, which makes it look kind of awkward. So. See. Oops. Yeah, I think that looks better. We could also, I know, Sekuras mentioned that it looks weird when you change the alpha, or like change the alpha over time, but I might just try it and see what it looks like. So I don't remember having issues with that, so I'm gonna try it out. Let me just go from white here to, oops, it's transparent. You know what else we could do? We could try going from smaller to larger. And also, I don't think I do like the alpha. Let's see. No, that looks weird. Oh, you know, it would be cool adding a like dust that like shoots off the air if we start moving, and two, if we dash. I think that would look pretty cool. But damn, bro, I still don't like this animation though. It looks like crap to me. What are we currently doing with our bounce for particle? What is it? Bounce far particle 2. So, oh, we're using I haven't tried this one yet. We could try using this for our normal dust one. Let's see. Regular foot particles. unique. Particles animation 4. Drawing shape. Texture. Blob. Okay. So of course this is way too big. And also the animation starts a little too late. I'm not a little too late, too early. Like it starts out on the bottom here. I think if we increase the pre-process and increase the lifetime, maybe that'll help. Oh, what the hell? There we go. Wow. I'll say make sure we add the timer. Here, let's just do it now. Alright, I think that looks better. Also, I think we need to, I don't think we're randomizing the rotation just yet. Maybe that's why it was looking so weird. Yeah. But if we start rotating it, then it becomes... It does kind of become an issue, I think. In certain textures. Let's see. Actually, it's fun. And now the only issue is that it looks bad. How do we get it to look like this explosion? Let's try this. We'll start out like this. It's gonna be like a scaled down version of this. So paste this in. Maybe we should make it an 8x8 or 64 pixel one. Wait, if this is the case, we could just replace this texture. Explosion. Oh, we set it to 8 originally. It was actually supposed to be 4. But that's fine. Like that. Hang on. One shot. Alright, so it's this. It's the same thing, but it's spawning too much on the bottom here. We need to make sure, like, the minimum. Could move it up, maybe, like, no. Let me see. Go erase over. Oh, let's just do that. If not, then Cicado, shape particle. I don't know why I didn't just look at particles here. Count one shot equals from this. These are properties. this. Flagged align? Why? Oh, no, no. Is there align X? Flag align Y. So if we mess with the Z index, maybe it wouldn't be nearly as noticeable, but so I was hoping we didn't have to do that. Oh, I think we accidentally edited the wrong texture. We were messing with the bounce here. Let me see. Oh, that looks better. Do we now change it? Let me see. Balance, particle 2. On 8, and the, what's the texture? Weird. But yeah, let's go back into the regular foot particles. We're going to try the white explosion again. Wait. Okay, yeah. White explosion, and we're just going to scale it down. I don't know why I didn't just do that in the first place. So we'll do. Honestly, it's gonna be very small. Like, let's try half. This actually might be too big. That's what she said. Okay. Let's do. Wait. Oh my god. No. Did we edit the wrong one? No, we didn't. The scale amount doesn't seem to be updating properly. Let's see. What the hell is this? Oh, we're not animating it, that's why. God damn. Or we're not animating it properly. Yeah, there we go. This looks so weird. Okay. Alright. This should work, or hopefully. Yeah, I think that is right. What we could do as well with this on the scale, could add a curve and maybe set it from 0.3 to 1, and maybe it'll make it look better. See, put it on. Why doesn't it let us, like? How do I know what value this is? It's just a random value. Do all the way to 1. For the most part, I think. Is it? Like that. You know, that'll have to do. I think that actually looks pretty decent. Maybe just increase our amount by like 10, and I think we'll call it a day with that. The wall animations are just so much better. They are better. We could try. It really depends on how it looks on the platforms here. Also, what we might do is just grab this texture here and put it here on the walls too. But oh damn, the walls look so good, in my opinion. You know what? Mess with it some more. Maybe make that 20. I'm just gonna keep upping it until it looks weird now. Goddamn. Let's try 30. This is literally the last thing that we need to finish in our, like, there's nothing else for us to do. And it's also like the most subjective thing I'm working on. Or like, yeah, the wall animations look so good, or the wall particles, and the reason why they look good is because we can put that explosion animation and not have to worry about like what it looks like on the other side, because this can block it. But with the floor, we have to make it go up a little bit so it doesn't like clip through certain platforms. Very unfortunate. You know, it's such a small detail, maybe people won't even notice. To block rendering on certain planes, basically stencil a block particle render underneath those thin ground surfaces. I was thinking of something like that, and I think it is possible, maybe with like, if I used shaders, but I don't know too much about shaders. I think the next time I work on this game, that's like gonna be the focus of like my development. Like, I think I know a decent amount of like programming mechanics, but yeah, shaders is like the next thing. I feel like it would improve the quality of the game by a bunch. I'm sure there's probably something else too. I tried looking it up. I couldn't. Here, let me see. We could also use viewports, I believe. You might as well try it, right? Let me see. Godot. Hide sprite. Hide half of sprite. Dynamic mask. What is this? Visual scripting stuff. I know, yeah, it's definitely possible. We actually probably find something. Oops. that's not what we want. I remember doing it in the past too. I'm trying to think if I worked on any games recently that had it. So I think if we use a view, we could technically maybe use a viewport. Looks like particles could support collision, which They'll collide with the ground rather than penetrating. The thing is, our texture is so large that it would collide with the ground, but also still stick through. But yeah, the other thing that you said, the kind of stencil out concept, I know it's possible. Let's do this. See, I think I have a project that handles this stuff. View, test this project. So how our main scene works is we have a viewport and a texture rect. Okay, let's try doing this. Viewport. Okay. So yeah, this kind of works, right? I think we just need to figure out what our size is here, or like how to place it. Don't know what's going on here. Let's do. Let me make another scene. Import. Also, I think our background here is flipped. How do we unflip it? Rendering, render target. Texture rect. Make this a viewport texture. Grab our viewport. Okay. So now if we put our fart here, I think we should be able to see it, right? And if we take it out side of the viewport, what's the viewport? 10 by 10. See here. Oh wait, put it here. We do see something. It doesn't make much sense what's going on. Set to this 0. It's just a matter of figuring out like where the hell is this particle on the viewport. Alright. What the hell? We just saw it and now it's gone. Oh, there it is. Alright, so the thing I don't get is why is it all the way over here? Alright, so we kind of got it to work, it seems. Let me just see Z index here. So right now we're at 6. If we move it down, or there we go. So this is not the right animation. We want the fart particle 2. Slide fart. Enter slide fart particle. Path is the enter slide fart particle. Enter slide. The enter slide fart particle is the same particle as our dust particle. I believe. Okay. Set it to emitting for now. Do that. And why is it? Oh, whoops. All right. So the next issue that we might have is actually when this is in the game. What's gonna happen? I'm gonna try just throwing it in there. We'll see what happens. Test particle. I wonder if there's a there might be a better way to go about this. This is what we've got so far. Just throw into this one right here. What's this? What the hell? Alright, cool. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Now we gotta figure out how to actually add this. So, you know, it seems particle manager. Seems like we are using a different particle for the enter slide. Let's see. It actually might be the, let's see, slide particle and enter slide. Slide. Alright, sounds good. I will answer your question when I'm done with my stream. Okay. Alright, so this is... Okay. Yeah, we don't want to use this one. This one looks so good. I'm wondering if this is not, like, if it's, not perfect pixel art. Like, it's, because it's a different viewport. Let me see. I can't tell if the pixels are stretching. Whatever. Let's just do it. Test particle viewport. Okay. So I think it's important for us probably to center all of this. So let me just test out all of these particles here. So we've got that one, we've got this one. Honestly, this one looks so much better. What's this one? Let me... Don't know why I don't have a saved version of this. Let me delete this. Let me... This local. Blending. Local. gonna have to add a script here. I think if we do not set in, we'll to see actually. Let me run this. See what this looks like. Alright, we won't see it, but yeah, we could do. Just grab a reference here. Just say. What the fuck? Okay. I think that's all we need to do for this. Let's just get rid of the script for this. Go into this. Yeah, we don't need a script here anymore. Landing for a particle. No script. Let's just print this too. Test particle with U port. So now let's go into our particle manager, and I'm just gonna put a U variable here. U landing particle. Okay, so when we enter this, instead of saying emitting, we'll set it to, it's going to be emitting by default on the ready function. So let's do that too, func ready. Wonder why it's not detecting that this is a particle. Okay. So emitting is yeah. One shot, not emitting. It should be good here. So on idle, we just add it to the input position. And that's it. We should probably do a lot of this kind of stuff, like let the particles handle themselves instead of doing it this way. But for now, we're speed running. I think we added the wrong path. Oh, whoop, wrong one. There we go. Ooh, temp particle dot global position viewport with vector 2. Wait. Maybe we just messed up. Temp particle dot global position on base control. Does it have to be? I get. Oh, okay. I wonder why. Oh, I guess controls need a full. You can't use positions. So let's just change this to a RTD. Okay. There we go. And let me make sure that this is. Wait. It is unshaded. What's going on here? Why is it dark? Does the material here also need to be unshaded? Okay. See if that fixed it. There we go. Also, I think we're gonna do this with all of our, with the slide as well. I wanna see. Okay. Slide far particle. We're only putting 2, or let's put 4. See how that looks. Looks a little bit more like crazy, but also kind of good. Also, I don't know if you guys are noticing, but I don't know if it's my GPU. The screen looks kind of crazy. Also, we need to make sure these guys are deleting themselves. Make sure. Main scene, viewport. We have one control here. That might be. Okay, yeah. We're all good. I think one thing that is bothering me is that they're like, seems like they're shrinking back into the ground, whereas I want them to like, I don't know, I guess not do that. See what's going on there. I'm not sure why that's happening. I think maybe we're messing with the scale here. Yeah, we are. Wait. Oh. There we go. Nice. Okay. So now it's just I wonder if the size of it is too big now. Might be slightly too big. Let's see if we can get rid of this. Clear, and we'll do. That's true. It does look like a chunky animation. Do you guys see that flashing on the screen? Okay, so it might be just my GPU. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to test it, like, not in the editor, like as an exported game. I've been noticing it a lot lately. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's from my computer or if it's from something I did with the game. Loving the game movement. Yeah, thank you. Alright. I'm actually satisfied with the particles here. Just started Unity this week, can't find 2D streamers, so glad to find you. Oh, thank you. I will say I don't use Unity though. This is Godot. I guess language is it's just different. Like the concepts, I guess, with game design are the same. It's just your approach is obviously different. Okay. So let's do the same thing to the wall animations. So I'm just gonna actually grab this landing fart particle. Center it. You know, are we not randomizing the positions here? Or the angle? Oh, we are. Okay, yeah, I'm just slow. where will I release it? So initially I want to release it on Steam and Itch. But yeah, I would like to also release it on might as well release it on GOG and Epic Game Store. I haven't looked into the process. All I have is a Steam page at the moment. Steam page and Itch page. Here's the Steam page. We're working on a new trailer. Like, this trailer's so old. Sorry, the screenshots. By old, I mean like 2 months. But so much has been done since these last 2 months. Okay. Landing fart particle. Make sure that this is one shot. Is it free to release on Steam? Unfortunately, no, it is not free. It's $100 US dollars. I believe if you make a certain amount, they do return the money to you. But yeah, it's $100. Oh, you get 100 back after 1,000 in sales. Okay. What happened to our music? What's the point of free games then? I mean, some people just like to do it as a hobby. It's also, I mean, with online free games, there's always microtransactions and stuff. Or making, like, some people just want to grow their communities or something like that. You know. Okay. What is next? Alright, landing far particle is good, so let's just put this in. Let's just copy this path. The interstate here, and honestly, I might even want it to be on the slide far particle path too. I think it does look pretty good. Here, wait, let's comment this out over here. See how it looks. Oh, what the hell? What's going on? What did we do? Oh. I think we missed the positioning. Messed with the positioning here. Are we all the way over here now? Let's try midding. There we go. Seems like this animation currently playing is not our it's not our enter animation. This is actually our looping animation that's playing for a split second. See if we can fix that. Or maybe, honestly, maybe we just need to add our looping animation and call it a day. Let's see. Fart particle slide. Fart particle. Oh, so it's playing this, which is wrong. We want the. Actually, we don't. We want landing fart particle. Enter slide is also this. And this. Okay, I think we're good now. Yeah, I think it looks decent. The sliding animation is, I think, is pretty good. The jumping animation is, I'm sorry, the jumping particles, when we enter it, looks kind of whack. So let's try to figure out what's going on there. Okay. Let's clear some of our print statements here. Need to make sure adding the slide particle is running here. Okay, adding slide particle does work. So we might actually make this one unique animation here. Fart particle slide. Particle slide is the landing fart particle. There's currently no. Okay, the amount here. Why is it 1? I thought we set it to like 3 or 4. Maybe we edited. Okay, yeah, it's 4 here, so we want to make sure it's 4 here. But then when we're looping it, we might want to reduce it a bit. We'll see. Yeah, when we're sliding down, it looks kind of crazy. Also, I don't know why, but the animation looks so much different. Like, I guess not. I'm just stripping. Here, wait, let's maybe reduce this to like 2. Okay. You know, I might do the same thing with the left side, or like the walls, where we added the viewport. Okay. Let's finish up with the landing for. Let's just make this a. I think we already have one called sliding. Let's see. Sliding particle. Slide particle path. And this. Set the amount to 1. Maybe, yeah, 1. That is, particle slide. Right. Oh, dude, I'm all over the place. You gotta rename some of these. Okay. There we go. I wonder. Wait, it's still playing the. Seems like it's still playing the 2 here. On the landing far particle, we set it to 2, and then on this. Okay, yeah, 2 and 2. But it still seems like it's playing 1. Sliding far particle. 1. Slide particle. Enter slide is the landing. Yeah, no, it's the right one. It seems. Let me try it again. It looks good there. But yeah, here it's playing only 1. What's going on? Far particle slide. Far particle slide. Oh, okay. So, far particle slide is playing here, but enter slide particle is what we want here. There we go. And you know what we could technically do? We actually don't need this to. We don't actually need a viewport for this. You could just set the Z index of this to like 1, or honestly even 0. And should be good. And there we go. Half Moon is lurking. Sounds good. Enjoy the lurk. Alright. I think we could finally say we are satisfied with this. I might, over time, we're probably going to update this even more. Let's say it's good for now. Another thing I need to make sure of is make sure we don't have any extra. Yeah, okay. Slide fart particle is still popping off here. Popping up. Slide fart particle. Slide fart particle. Slide fart particle. Slide fart particle. Say that like 10 times. Here, we'll just add that script here. Looks pretty good now. Great job. Thank you, bro. Okay. Let me just double check, make sure we don't have anything. Wait, slide. Huh. Is it this one? Slide. Oh, it might be this one actually. Yeah. Oh, it's this one. Okay. The landing fart particle. The only issue here is, I mean, maybe we could create a script here and then erase it from this one. We can make this local. Here, set a script. It's just the same one as this. We're still getting it for some reason. See which one it is. Oh, okay. Never mind. It's from. Okay. There we go. They're all deleting properly. Okay. We could add some some more particles, or we could call it there. Call it call it a game. Maybe I'll just do this off stream. It's basically the same exact thing. God damn, why is this stuff? It's a PG-13 stream. Who do we raid? In Godot 4, let's do this. Alright, I'll see you guys. Peace.
1 megahertz headsets to 64. But even then, they count a megahertz then
thank you for
was
watching.
something else than a megahertz now. They didn't have multiple cores, they didn't have multi-threading, and they had just round robin. And Practical NPC, thanks for the raid. And how was your stream? What did you do? And thanks for the follow. Weren't you already following me? I'm following you, that's I know for sure. Yeah, and here in this stream, actually I wanted to load and save game, but we got a little bit distracted in looking up if you can still buy floppy disk, and it appears you can still buy them. Yeah, exactly, a nostalgia stream. So you can still buy floppy disks and FDD disks, FDD
Oh, I forgot to